Alright, so update on the car. I just figured out that, let me see if you guys can see it. I really can't find it and zoom in to find it. But, let me see if it'll focus. My tire rod snapped, so I can't turn the car at all. My plan was to put in the garage, but now I can't because it snapped. So we're going to jack it up and see what we can do from there. But other than from that point, ain't really much to do. All right, so we got the wheel to turn, but it's not going to move at all because the wheel's so flat. We're on a flat surface. We try to put it in neutral, move it, but it's not going to move. So the only thing I can do is probably take it to my friend's house. So right now, I'm about to go over there to his house and help him with some problems, and that's it. But
okay. Oh shit! Hi, Civic.
Nice. 2 hours later.
Can you say anything about the back?
Shit.
Yeah, that's true.
Contra indios. Es contra menores de 2000.
Have it right there. We gotta look for that bitch.
Where's those?
Those needle nose. Esteban said that his fuel pump went out.
What?
His fuel pump went out. That's why he hit well.
Shit, didn't he go out last time? Remember when we go pick him up?
I think so.
Oh, I hate this fucking shit. It's bad.
Are you waiting on everything else? I gotta find what shop sells a Lumilight, bruh. Make a splitter. I'm like, hey, okay, trying to do a flip.
I had to go to get rich. Mama was struggling paying the rent. I couldn't help her with shit. And then I'm feeling so stuck on this bitch. Car broke down, can't fix that shit. I cried that night, I admit that shit. Oh, too old, I whipped that bitch. She left me alone when I whipped that bitch. It's right now, I hit that bitch. Old friends like how you get that lit. Same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't float that shit. Hanging on when I hold that shit. Mama, I told you we gon' be okay. Whipping the bench and she live in LA. Tryna thank God but don't know what to say.
Don't call that little ass place no estate unless it came with a pool in the gate. Check the rear before I pull in the gate.